Hi everyone, it's Leon the Milkman here. So this week during cheese making, I did something that I always tell people not to do, and that is to change more than one thing at a time. Because if you change multiple things, you don't know where the change in results came from. So lucky, experience and luck was on my side and everything worked out. But for beginners, I do recommend change one thing, change the temperature 1 or 2 degrees, cut smaller, stir more, any one thing at a time, to be sure where that actual improvement or non-improvement comes from. So keep that in the back of your mind. And then I also, and this I recommend, is to test continually during the process. Check the temperature, check the pH, even if it's not in your mind, critical stage of the process. Check everything, because if it goes well and in the future something goes wrong, you won't know where it should be if it's going right. By gathering a lot of information, you can always discard the later unimportant information. But if you gather too little initially, you can't make a good decision. So gather too much info and then whittle it down. But this enables you to, in the first third of your cheese making process, already know if things are on track. I would, even if you've got access to the equipment, do titrations for acidity, do moisture analysis of your curd at a certain stage in the process, because that will enable you to early on identify if something is wrong, and then you don't have to wait till you've got the final product in your hand to see that something is really wrong. So my advice for the day, it's Leon the Milkman. All the best. Cheers. Bye.